What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So this is extremely important news that I needed to bring to the table. I wanted to talk about this yesterday, but I didn't have time to record any type of video. Um, AMC has just got wrecked, right? Because of things that are going on with the whole conversion plan and approval there that a lot of investors are not really happy for, but then other investors are trying to take advantage of. And I wanted to talk about this, why this is not 100% the worst thing. Yes, it is a form of dilution, and dilution is never a good thing, but does this mean the overall squeeze is over? No. Do they want us to think that? Yes. So, anyways, I'm going to get into this. Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about my Kick. If you guys want to join me live and talk to me live during the week, feel free to be a part of Kick. The link should be in the description, but if not, it's just Matthew_Perry over on Kick. Feel free to follow me and be a part of it. But if you go over on Twitter, I have it linked there a bunch of times. Anyways, so things just happened to AMC, and honestly, I wasn't going to make any type of stock video yesterday until I saw that. And then I didn't get the chance to actually record something because I was pretty busy yesterday. And today I'm pretty busy, but luckily I'm recording in the morning before all of the uh, shit hits the fan, for lack of a better term. But anyways, AMC, fell quite a bit, and it's all because of this, right? So AMC Entertainment gets approval for revised investor settlement preferred stock source. So basically, the conversion of APE into AMC has been approved there, right? So Delaware judge approved AMC's revised stockholder settlement on Friday, 3 weeks after the judge rejected a related deal by the cinema operator. The ruling to the ruling sent the shares of the company's preferred stock soaring 27%, and the company's common stock fell by 27%. AMC has told investors it is burning cash at an unsustainable rate, and that the settlement would clear the way for the company to sell more shares and pay down some of its $5.1 billion in debt. So obviously we know that this is an issue, and this is where it starts to get kind of tricky, right? We start to muddy the waters. We understand that, especially AMC investors that have been invested for a long time and understand the shorts that are going through, the manipulation that happens, we don't know honestly what to think. We go with the group, and if the group says, hey, this is a bad idea, we go with that. And I understand dilution in any case is a bad idea, but understand this: if a company has 5 point something billion dollars in debt, or a lot of money, and they're consistently losing money every year, getting back to a form of normalcy and increasing in revenue, and the net income is increasing as well, but it's still at a negative. It's still at a net loss, and a millions of dollars of losses, almost $1 billion, right? For some cases. So if you're seeing millions of dollars that are being lost, hundreds of millions of dollars that are being lost, you need to find something to improve the business and get the business back on its feet. Well, uh, all of the things that they have in place right now is not really doing that, especially with the strikes and people not really going to movie theaters, and maybe Barbie and Oppenheimer actually perform pretty well. But the problem that we deal with is, we're worried about our money versus the survival of the business, and a lot of investors are like, we don't give a rat's ass about the survival of the business. We care about us gaining a hell of a lot. But honestly, they're one and the same, right? If the business doesn't survive, then they are bankrupt. We lose everything, right? If we see things that absolutely soar, right, then they end up gaining a lot. We gain a lot. Everybody wins in the end. But if the business fails, we do not gain anything. And shorters know this, right? Hedge funds know this. So what they're doing is essentially trying to find what we hate and divide us, right? Because we're all together right now. We may own like 60, 70, 80% of the float there. maybe even 90%, right? I don't know how much it is, but we own a lot of the float. Retail traders control this float. Typically, you have hedge funds and firms and institutions that are controlling the float. It's like 70% in a lot of positions, a lot of businesses. Um, so with this, it's kind of different. And the way that you get us out is by, waiting time for us to kind of settle on what we have, and also forcing us out. And the way that you force us out is find what we hate the most, which is dilution, and kind of support them to dilute the position. So maybe this approval after not approving it, honestly, is a way to divide the community and push people towards, maybe other places. I already see videos that are like the downfall of AMC. Adam Aaron hates AMC. Adam Aaron hates AMC investors. And that's dividing the community. No matter what the situation is, we should all be together. Even if we're saying, hey, we don't like what's going on here, we still have to, supplement it with, we're staying invested in it. We believe in, AMC, and we believe in, fighting against manipulation. So honestly, you can see what's happening right now when you look at, APE and AMC. So AMC has dropped by 25% in the after hours market. When you zoom out, you see how this has dropped heavily all the way down to $3.50, currently at $3.92. So what this is going to do is maybe AMC does find a way to reach where APE is, but a lot of people maybe end up selling AMC and investing in APE because essentially they're going to be the same price, right? They're going to be consolidated together. So if APE is consolidating into it, people that are invested into APE basically will receive a price bump as you get up to AMC's price, or as AMC gets down to APE's price, or whatever. But either way, you're seeing that price bump as people sell AMC and buy APE. Which again, that's investors taking advantage of the overall situation. And then you have investors that, like me, I'm sitting on my AMC. I invested my APE already into AMC, so essentially consolidating it beforehand. This is just a way of diluting and helping out the company, right? The company is not it's not really performing well, right? But as time goes on, as you pay off debt, as you get you have more revenue that's coming in the door, which it is consistently more revenue coming in the door, you end up getting into a better situation, and then the bottom line looks a lot better. So honestly, I think, yes, this is horrible, but I don't think we need to, attack what AMC is doing or what AMC is. And, obviously you can say, hey, I don't like what Adam Aaron's doing. But as a community, as people that believe in this project and want to fight against the shorts are still there. They're heavily there, and they probably will be there more, right? So we'll see more shorts that are coming in over the next weeks or months or years at this point. And I hope that it doesn't take that long. I hope that we see everything thrive. But I just wanted to get a video out today to talk about this and give you my opinion here. Because honestly, I think it's something to where I see the community that's completely divided, and they're creating a ton of negative videos, which some people might call FUD. I don't really like using that term, but I guess in this scenario, in this case, it is, because it's dividing the community. Even though it's an opinion that a person has, we shouldn't be dividing, this community into different sectors that either believe in AMC, selling AMC, kind of in the middle. Like, we shouldn't be doing that. We should have people that are all together and are like, yeah, I know what's happening behind the scenes. This is even a form of manipulation. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Let me know what you think about my thoughts. I know it could be maybe a little bit out there, because it's like, well, what if, or this is happening behind the scenes, even though we're not all seeing it. This is where their thought process is. But, it's a thought. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one.